My dear students of class 11 and 12, welcome to our today's class. I am MD Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics. How are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are well. I am also well. Today, I would like to discuss about your higher mathematics, chapter 10, integration. Today's class is MCQ part of our question. Okay, today I will solve some important MCQ of this chapter. Now we can start our today's class. Okay, my dear student, our first question: if integration of this is equal to f of x plus c, then what is the value of f of x? Before solve this question, you have to know integration of the basic formula. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. For the indefinite integral, it will be plus c. And if the any constant involved with x, then what will be the integral result? Okay, just think it. If integration of sin mx dx is equal to, just you have to consider mx as a x. So integration of sin x, just you compare with integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Here x is m of x, mx. Here x is mx in this case, and the constant involved with x is equal to is m. So divide by m. Okay. For each case, if any constant involved with x, then the integral is divided by that constant. Okay. Now the first question. Okay, now integration of sin 5 minus x by 10 dx. Okay, dear students, our formula is integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, and compare with this formula, here this is x. For technique, just consider this term is x, so integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. And our technique is, if any constant involved with x, then divided by this integral result by that constant. Here this constant involved with x is equal to minus 1 by 10. So divided by minus 1 by 10. So our answer will be 10 cos 5 minus x divided by 10. Okay, now we can look our answer option. Which answer option meet with our answer, and here this is 10 cos 5 minus x by 10. So answer option B meet with our right answer. So 10 cos 5 minus x by 10. Okay, so answer option B will our right answer. Okay, now question number B, integration of e to the power minus 7x dx. Before solving this question, you have to know integration of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Okay, according to this formula, just you have to consider minus 7x as a x. So integration of this is equal to e to the power x here x is equal to minus 7x. And for the if any constant involved with x, then the result of integration divided by that constant. Here constant is minus 7. So divided by minus 7 plus integral constant is c. Okay. Now which answer option will be right? Compare with this. Our answer option A will have a right answer. Okay. So A will have a right answer. Okay. Okay. Now question number 3. Integration of sine x degree dx. Here x is degree, but for the integration it convert into radian. We know that 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Okay, so this integration sine x degree, it will be pi x divided by 180 radian. So now integration of sine phi x divided by 180. Integration of sine x dx, compare with integration of sine x dx, then minus cos x. So according to this formula, here consider phi x divided by 180 is x, so minus cos x pi x divided by 180, and here constant involved with x is pi divided by 180, so divided by pi divided by 180 plus c. Okay, here we can write it minus 180 divided by pi cos pi x divided by 180 plus c. So our answer option of this question, so minus pi divided by 180 divided by pi cos pi x divided by 180, answer option C will be right answer for this question. Okay, now question number 4. Integration of 1 divided by root over 2 minus 3x square dx is equal to f of x plus c, then f of x is equal to what? Our basic formula for this math, integration of 1 divided by root over a square minus x square. Okay, this formula is equal to sin inverse x divided by a plus c. So according to this formula, we want to solve this integration, and here 1 divided by, and we can write it to root over 2 whole square and 3x square root over 3x whole square dx. Now consider a is equal to root over 2 and x is equal to root over 3x. Compare with this formula, then our answer will be sin inverse x divided by a, here x is equal to root over 3x divided by a is equal to root over 2, and our technique is if any constant involved with x, then the integral result is divided by that constant. Here constant is involved with x is equal to root over 3, so divide by root over 3, and here we can write it 1 by root over 3 sin inverse root over 3x divided by root over 2, and plus integral constant c. Okay, here our answer is 1 by root over 3 sin inverse root over 3x divided by root over 2 plus c. Okay, so our answer option C is 1 by root over 3 sin inverse root over 3x divided by 2, which is meet with our this answer. Okay, so answer C will be our right answer for this question. Okay, now question number 5. This is definite integral because it has a lower limit and upper limit, and e to the power minus x dx. Okay, dear student, already we know what is the basic formula of this integral function, e to the power x. So integration of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Here e to the power minus x, just minus x consider as x with compare with this integral. So our result will be e to the power minus x. Here constant is minus 1, so divided by minus 1, and then lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. At first we have to put the upper limit in this function and minus of lower limit. Okay, e to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus lower limit e to the power minus 0, that means e to the power 0 minus 1. So our answer will be e to the power minus 1, we can write it 1 by e, and minus 1, this is minus, and minus and minus, it will be plus, e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So minus 1 by e plus 1, this is our final answer, and our answer option is D, meet with our this answer. Okay, so answer option D will be right answer for this integral, for this integration. Okay, question number 6, e to the power 5x plus 3. Just consider 5x plus 3 as a x. So integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Here e to the power x is e to the power 5x plus 3, and our technique is divided by constant. What is the constant which is involved with x? Here is 5. So divide by 5, and lower limit 0, upper limit is 1. Now at first upper limit, so x is equal to 1, so 5 into 1 plus 3, it will be e to the power 8 divided by 5 minus, if x is equal to 0, then 5 into 0 plus 3, e to the power 3 plus divided by e to the power 3 divided by 5. Okay, taking 1 by 5 as a common, then e to the power 8 minus e to the power 3. So our answer option C will be right answer. Okay, now question number 7. Here you have to consider 2x will be x, then integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is equal to what? Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. So minus cos x, cos 2x, here x is 2x, and constant involved with x is 2. So our technique divide by constant is 2, and upper limit pi by 2 and lower limit is 0. So at first upper limit, so if x replaced by pi by 2, then it will be pi minus cos pi divided by 2 minus, if 0, then minus cos 0 divided by 2. Okay, then here cos pi is equal to minus 1, so minus of minus 1 divided by 2, and it will be plus cos 0 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, answer of this integration is equal to 1. So our answer option C will be our right answer. Okay, dear student, this is our today's class.